Want to learn how to delete your Roblox account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorial Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on the three-dotted straight line on the bottom right corner inside a circle. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Tap on Account Info. Into this Account Info section, you can get every options, but not the option of a delete account. So basically, you do not have an option of delete account directly on Roblox app. So for that, you can use any of the suitable browser and request them to delete your account as soon as possible. So today I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome or the suitable browser just like this. Tap on the searcher type web address. Enter here roblox.com/support. This will take you to the support section of the Roblox website. You can see that I am already logged in, so make sure to get logged in just like me. And onto this contact us option, first of all, you need to fill in the details asked by the Roblox contact us section member. First of all, insert a username, which is totally optional, and even the first name, which is optional. Enter your email address, which is compulsory. Then confirm your email address once again. You need to select a device that you are having the problem on, and you need to select the type of help category. I'm going to select one and then tap on please select below. When you're done selecting it, you can describe your issue below. I'm going to do it. You can do off your own. So when you're done describing the issue and filling all of the details above, tap on submit below. I need to verify first of all if I'm a real person. Tap on verify below. You can see that. Thank you for contacting Roblox. Please check your email for a message from a customer service. Tap on OK and go to your email address. So on the top, you do have a message from Roblox support. Tap on it. So you can see that thank you for contacting Roblox customer support. And they have just received our request and our reference number is particularly this. And if you did not submit this request, please reply and let us know. So this is an automated message, and so after this request and after this verification, they will try help us delete this account within 48 hours. So make sure to check your email address again and again. This is how you do it. This is how you request for a deletion of account on a Roblox website. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.